Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Rams 2009 to 2018 1500 and 2019 to 24 1500 Classic. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove your vehicle's spare tire and bed, along with moving any lines or power harnesses from the work area. Step 3. Begin removing the crossmember by cutting along its retaining welds on each frame rail and track bar crossmember. Followed by grinding the work area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Coat the work area with a well-through primer to help prevent against further rust development. Step 4. Place the main crossmember onto the frame while using the factory remains and support bracket as reference points for proper alignment. Keep pushing the crossmember towards the rear of the vehicle with the support bracket until the ends of it rest on the factory weld point on the track bar crossmember and on the wall of the main crossmember. Step 5. Tack weld the support bracket to the track bar crossmember and main crossmember. Followed by the main crossmember to the frame rails. Confirm its alignment at this time. Completely weld the part to the frame along all edges. Step 6. Coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Finally, reinstall your spare tire and bed, and you're done.